Have you ever seen a shadow so dark, it looks like it could swallow you whole? Imagine standing at the edge of a shadow so deep, it feels like you're staring into the unknown. Most of us have only experienced shadows on Earth, under a tree, behind a building, or maybe in a dark alley at night, but even then, there's always a little bit of light sneaking in, softening the darkness. That's exactly what happens on the moon, but on a whole new level. The moon's shadows aren't just dark, they're so black, so absolute that they almost seem to erase whatever falls inside them. When astronauts landed there, they noticed something wild. Their shadows weren't just dark, they were pitch black, almost like stepping on a black hole. It was as if the ground itself had opened up, swallowing all the light and leaving nothing but a void. Let's talk about why moon shadows are so extreme. It all comes down to the difference between Earth and the moon and how light behaves in each place. Here on Earth, sunlight hits you, but it also bounces around in the air. Our atmosphere scatters light, so even the darkest shadow gets softened. You can still see things in the shade, right? That's because the air is full of tiny particles and molecules that scatter sunlight in every direction, filling in the shadows with a gentle glow. Even at night, city lights and the atmosphere combine to make sure true darkness is rare. But the moon? There's no air, no blue sky, no haze. The lunar surface is exposed directly to the harsh vacuum of space. There's nothing to scatter the sunlight, nothing to soften the edges between light and dark. Sunlight zooms straight in, and if something blocks it, that's it. Total darkness. The result? Shadows on the moon are as sharp as a knife, with boundaries so crisp you could almost draw a line between day and night. Now picture this. You're wearing a shiny white spacesuit standing on lunar soil. The side of you in the sun is almost blinding. Pure, glowing white. But your other side? It disappears into inky blackness. The contrast is so intense, it's like you're split in two, one half glowing, the other half vanished. It's a sight that's both beautiful and a little bit unsettling. There's no gentle gray, no soft fade. It's either all light or absolute shadow. The line between the two is razor sharp, almost unnatural to our Earth-trained eyes. It's so dramatic, astronauts said it made judging distances and even walking tricky. Drop something in a shadow, and good luck finding it. Tools, rocks, even your own feet can vanish in the darkness, making every step an adventure. Some astronauts describe the experience as disorienting, almost like walking on the edge of a cliff you can't see. And here's the really wild part. These shadows aren't just dark, they're cold too. On the moon, the temperature can drop hundreds of degrees in the shade, making those black patches not just mysterious, but dangerous. If you step from sunlight into one of those shadows, it's like crossing a line between two different universes. One moment, you're bathed in blinding light. The next, you're hidden in darkness so deep, it feels unreal. It's a transition so sudden it can make you feel like you've left reality behind and entered a dream. It's no wonder those shadows look like black holes, mysterious, bottomless, almost scary. They seem to pull at your imagination, making you wonder what could be hiding inside. So would you dare walk through those black hole shadows on the moon? Would you trust your senses, or would you hesitate at the edge, feeling the pull of the unknown? Imagine how it would feel stepping from the brightest light you've ever seen straight into a darkness you can't even imagine. Your heart might race, your breath catch as you take that first step into the void. That's space for you, always more strange and awesome than it looks from here on Earth. The moon's shadows are just one of the many ways the universe reminds us how much there is left to explore, and how different things can be once you leave our familiar world behind. If you ever get a chance to visit the moon, don't forget to check your shadow. It might just blow your mind. You'll see darkness like you've never seen before, pure, perfect, and unforgettable. Thanks for tagging along. If you love space, hit that subscribe button and keep exploring with me. There's a whole universe of mysteries out there, and we're just getting started.